Hello, my name is Katie Wade, and I am your local rep with McGraw-Hill Higher Education. Today, I'm going to show you a brief overview of Connect and go into more detail about Smartbook and how our adaptive learning technology can benefit you and your students. We will start by logging into Connect. Once logged in, you will see your instructor dashboard. Over on the right side of the screen, you will see that the Instructor View button is clicked on. You want to click on the button right next to it that says Student View. Hitting this button will launch you directly into how the student views Connect and all of your associated assignments. Included in the Student View is Smartbook and all of its adaptive learning capabilities, which I will go over in detail with you now. Once at the Student Connect dashboard, you will immediately see that any homework or assignments that you have added in Connect show up first. Here, you can see exactly how a student views the course's associated assignments. Because this is a pre-built course, you as the instructor will have access to all of these auto-graded assignments and can add in as many or as few as you'd like. Along with assignments, on the left of the screen will be the instructor's name, the option to purchase a loose leaf print of the book, access to Smartbook and LearnSmarts, and the bottom shows that for this title we have a mobile ebook that can be accessed through our Read Anywhere mobile app. From here, I will launch the Smartbook feature of Connect and delve into its capabilities a little bit more. Once the Smartbook button is clicked, it will immediately show the student what assignments have been posted, along with due dates, scores, and completion percentages. As you can see, we are currently on the Assignments tab. When the student clicks the Self-Study tab, it shows all of the chapters from the physical textbook with the option to go into each one separately and read the text, as well as take practice quizzes to help them master the content. We will go into Chapter 1 so that I can highlight the features that Smartbook has to offer. Once in Smartbook, you can see that it takes you page by page into the book. If the student had the physical textbook, they would be seeing the same exact pages and information. By default, the chapter preview panel will be open so that you can explore the key topics and see how the chapter is organized. On the left side of the screen, you have the option to either click specific pages you would like to see, or when you are ready to read, you can close this by pushing the Foursquare button and going page by page. The first two phases of Smartbook are Read and Practice. These phases work together in how the student will progress through and ultimately complete any given chapter reading assignment. As the name implies, the Read phase is the heart of the reading experience and where the student will begin. What is unique to Smartbook is that by using yellow highlighting, Smartbook will call out the most impactful concepts, which will save you valuable time. We suggest that the student click Next Highlight first. This will directly take them to the first highlight in the text, allowing them to place their focus on areas that will help them master the content the most. With years of research and student and teacher feedback, we were able to scientifically generate highlights based around what the student should be not only remembering, but understanding as well. Once Smartbook recognizes that you have read through enough content in the chapter, the practice icon here in the lower left corner of the screen will glow blue. This is Smartbook's recommendation that it is a good time to practice what you have learned so far. Once you are ready, click the Practice button to move into the practice phase. By asking questions and measuring your confidence in your answers, the practice phase will quiz you along the way to help you master the key concepts. This information helps the adaptive learning technology create a learning path for each individual student. Here, it is imperative that the student be honest with how confident they are about a topic, as this helps Smartbook's adaptive technology focus the reading and questions to help the student truly understand the content. Although I may not know the answer, I will quickly show you how this process works. As you can see, since I got that wrong, there are still 24 items left to be answered. Once enough questions have been answered in the practice phase, the Read button will glow blue, directing the student back to the Read phase. The student will continue to move back and forth between Read and practice until they ultimately read, remember, and understand each chapter's content. From here, I will navigate to our Menu button, which will show other options that are available in Smartbook. First, this Table of Contents button will reveal two tabs, one for assignments and the other for self-study, which we went over in the beginning. Next, I will show you the Reports button. This is where you will find useful reports that will help track reading comprehension and assignment completion progress, but will also help the student study more efficiently. Once in Reports, you can go back and look over any questions that you may have missed in practice and reread that content, as well as view where you might be having the most trouble grasping difficult concepts. The last phase of Smartbook is Recharge. When a student has completed a chapter, a blue Recharge button will appear over here. Recharge looks like practice, but here it will periodically ask you to review previous topics and chapters to help push that content into long-term memory. Recharge is a powerful tool to help you get better grades on quizzes and exams in your course. Thank you for watching today. I hope that this video gave you a good overview of all that Smartbook has to offer you and your students. My information is below should you have any follow-up questions or would like any further information on McGraw-Hill's Smartbook technology.